So now let's see how the foreground and background color works inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here on the left side in the expert mode, here you can see color is an option, and you can see that there's two colors right here. One is the foreground color while the other is the background color right here. So if I were to go around onto the top right here, the black color is right now the foreground color. You can swap them out by clicking on this button right here, and you can swap the foreground color to be background color and background color to be foreground color right here. And you can go around over here onto the default background color to set the default black and white color over here, just like this as well. You can choose your own foreground and background color as well by clicking on the top color right here and choosing out the color of your choice, and by pressing OK. You can go around over here onto the background color. You can click and choose a color of your choice, and you can press OK just like this as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, click on New, and I'm going to choose Blank File right here. So here you can see that the background content is transparent. So I'm just going to go around and choose background color. You can see that that is as an option over here as well, or you can choose white as well. So I'm just going to choose background color and press OK, and you can see that the background color itself is selected right here. So you can go around over here, use the selection tool right here just like this, and you can go around, use the paint bucket tool, and if you were to click, then it fills it out with the foreground color that is selected, as you can see. So you can go around and utilize the selection right here. So I'm just going to go around onto the selection. Let me just go around over here, click and drag around, and as I drag around, you can see the background color that is selected right here. So just like this, it is there. Let me just press Ctrl D to deselect it right there. I'm going to go around onto the ellipse tool right here, click and drag around over here, and then utilize the move tool, move it, and you can see the background color that is selected right here. What if I were to change the background color? So if I were to go around over here and change around the color to something like green, and if I were to go around onto the elliptical marquee tool and click and drag right here, then I can go around onto the move tool, click and drag, and now you can see the background color that I applied right here, which appears right here just like this. And that is how you can work around with the foreground color and the background color inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements.